Morning. So today I am in my shower. I'm gonna go over some of my cellulite things that I do at home and things in my Amazon store that I'm recommending and how I use them. Okay, so first is the microneedle device. So it's like a 3-in-1, 4-in-1. There's one in my Amazon store. So I use the larger one. You can use it on your face, like gently, but I use it on my body. So you want to roll, okay, like anywhere that you have cellulite or crepey skin, stretch marks, just to kind of stimulate some collagen, and then you can apply like a skin firming cream. So I'm going to apply, and I did a video on this one in my eye cream video, but this one I love. It's so inexpensive and I swear it really works. So you can just lightly roll and then put on your skin firming and toning cream. So that's one treatment, and you can roll like once a week just to increase the penetration. But I use this twice a week, okay, like everywhere that you want any firming, right? Belly, arms, anywhere. Okay, so that's one thing. Next thing is dry brushing, and you can use this in the shower too with soap, but I do like this one because it has the extra little, I don't know, rubber beads. So this is harder to film, but anyway, so if you use it outside the shower, you just want to use it to increase circulation. And I do like little circles everywhere to increase, you know, circulation, blood flow, and I press like, you know, pretty hard actually. Okay, and inner thigh, I'll do my belly. But again, you can do dry brushing. There's a lot of good information about dry brushing and cellulite. But sometimes when I don't have time to dry brush because I'm like rushing, then I will do it in the shower. So I'll use like a pump of soap. And again, like, so you want to be pretty aggressive to really stimulate blood flow, release any like toxins, a lot of water accumulation in cellulite, so it makes it have that like bumpy appearance. Okay, so after this, then you would kind of get in the shower, or if you're doing it in the shower, then the next thing I use is the like massager. Okay, so this is just like a little rubber, and it has the little, you know, like massagers on it. So again, this is good for just like, again, you have soap on at this point, or body oil, and again, go over the same spots. Okay, so I like to like even hold my skin tight to really get into, deeper down into the cellulite areas. Okay. So this I find really helps just smooth it out a little bit. I mean, the more you do it, the more results that you're gonna see, but it's a good tool to have. Now, one of my favorite things that you can use in my store is this cellulite roller, but it's good for workouts too, if you have like sore muscles. So this, you wouldn't do in the shower, but you could, I guess, but outside the shower. So you can do this like when you're watching TV. They have these online, they're called like, they sell them for a lot more than this one. This one's inexpensive and like literally the same thing that they're selling like on all these other social media channels. So anyway, again, this, just really push in there to really help break up some of that cellulite that we hate, okay? And then in the back, I don't know. Sometimes I sit on it and roll because I'll use this if I'm sore from workouts. Also, and then when I get out of the shower or whatever, twice a day, I do use that Nivea cream everywhere, but this is good for workouts also. So the other last thing that I do like, because I feel like your cellulite is a little less invisible, you have a little color, is the Jergens Natural Glow Skin Firming. I get the medium to tan, and this says firming, but I just use this really for a little bit of color, and I'll use this in the summer like twice a week, and then maybe in the winter like once a week, so I don't feel like so pasty. But anyway, that's my cellulite routine. Plus I work out. I'll do some demos on the stuff that I put in the workout store, on my Amazon store as well. to give you some tips on that, because you don't have to work out for a long period of time to really see results, but it's all about consistency. So anyway, have a great day. Watch my other videos. See how I use this, you know, and how I use this cream. I've tried it under the eyes and in other areas. See how it performs in other areas of the body. And watch out for my other videos on my favorite Amazon finds. Talk to you soon. Bye guys.